Want to boost your YouTube views promptly? Then you need to grasp the algorithm. Let's immerse ourselves in the vast digital ocean. Consider it as a current within this ocean, a magnetic force that draws videos into visibility. This current is driven by two primary factors: viewer engagement and watch time. The intricate machinery of ones and zeros is always observing, learning. It scrutinizes every like, share, comment, and monitors the duration viewers remain engrossed with your content. It's a symphony of data. The more engaged your audience is, the more attention it commands. But it doesn't end there. Merely getting people to click isn't sufficient. You need them watching. The longer they linger, the more it appreciates. Think of it as feeding a ravenous beast, and this beast craves nothing more than the ambrosial flavor of extended duration. Hence, crafting high-quality content that keeps viewers riveted is paramount. It's not merely about the quick bait and switch, it's about sculpting a compelling narrative, an experience that captivates your viewer from the onset. How does one? It's fundamentally about engagement and time, yes. However, central to it all is quality. The right kind of content is the key that unleashes the potential. Understanding the YouTube algorithm is the initial step to soaring. Comprehending the algorithm is crucial for crafting attention-grabbing thumbnails and enticing titles. Consider these elements as the vibrant billboard beckoning people into a Broadway extravaganza. They are what potential viewers initially encounter and can influence the decision to engage with your content. Let's begin with thumbnails. As mini previews, they ought to be as eye-catching as glowing neon signage. Robust colors, prominent text, and intriguing visuals help your thumbnail stand out. Numerous resources, ranging from the simplicity of Canva to the advanced capabilities of Adobe Photoshop, facilitate the design of arresting thumbnails. Regardless of the tool you choose, relevance to your video and a distinct uniqueness is vital. Now let's explore titles. A riveting title can ignite curiosity, offer a glimpse of your video, and tempt viewers into clicking. Dare to be bold, concise, but above all, honest. While clickbait might offer temporary spikes in engagement, it risks disappointing viewers and damaging your credibility over time. Instead, focus on creating a title that's both engaging and accurately mirrors your content. Incorporating the main keywords is essential as this enhances visibility in search results, attracting a larger audience. Your thumbnail and title constitute your video's debut appearance. Make that count. Now let's immerse ourselves in the universe of SEO and keywords. Envision this, the boundless sea of YouTube content, a haven for surfers. Each wave represents a fresh search query. Your video? It's the surfboard, with keywords acting as the wax, ensuring you remain atop the wave. SEO, name for optimization, is your hidden weapon for climbing higher in search rankings. But how do you decipher the right ones? Initiate by viewing from your viewer's perspective. What phrases might they employ to locate your content? Use instruments such as Google's Keyword Planner or suggestions from YouTube's search bar to pinpoint popular and pertinent ones. Once identified, it's time to integrate them strategically into your titles, descriptions, and tags. Pause, but bear in mind, don't go overboard. Maintain a natural flow and ensure relevance to your content. Successfully navigating the SEO wave with the right keywords can boost your YouTube views considerably. And to ensure you continue riding those waves alongside us, remember to like, subscribe. Engaging with your audience, a proven strategy to elevate your views. Let's delve into ways to make this possible. First and foremost, do not be absent in your own comment section. Interaction cultivates a sense of community around your content. Pause. Take a moment, then proceed to request likes and shares. This strategy not only amplifies your video's visibility, but also indicates to the YouTube algorithm that your material warrants recommendation. Pause. We come to the crucial request, prompting viewers to subscribe. Subscriptions are essential for any thriving channel, a significant influencer in the algorithm's judgment. Remember though, it's not solely about quantity. Each like, share, and subscription symbolizes an individual who has resonated with your content. Engage not just to win over the algorithm, but to captivate hearts and minds well. Cultivate a devoted audience by engaging with your viewers. Let's delve into strategic posting and scheduling. You might question its significance. Picture this. Immense effort goes into comprehending YouTube's algorithm, crafting captivating thumbnails, titles, fine-tuning keywords, and audience engagement, but missing out on timing. All this could be in vain. Visualize launching a stellar video at a wee 3 in the morning. Pause. Who's up to watch it? Hence, Discerning when your audience is most active becomes pivotal. Generally, weekday afternoons prove to be a reasonable starting point, though optimal time varies according to your target demographic. Consistency is key. Pause. Your favorite TV show sticks to a regular airing schedule, and so should your videos. Be it daily, weekly, or monthly, regularity helps retain an engaged audience, piquing curiosity for your next video. However, life can get hectic. This is when planning and scheduling videos in advance makes a difference. By batching your video creation process and auto-posting them, you ensure punctual content delivery. YouTube's scheduling feature is a boon. It lets you upload and set videos to go live at a designated time, guaranteeing a seamless channel run, regardless of your other engagements. Wrapping up, strategic posting and scheduling become crucial to augment your YouTube views. This practice ensures your content arrives when your audience is ready to engage, heightening the chances of connecting with the right people. Start applying these strategies. As we near the end, an indispensable topic awaits discussion. You've created a compelling video, optimized it for SEO, engaged your audience, and timed the release to perfection. Still, there's a final step towards attaining the broadest reach, harnessing the power of like, subscribe, and share buttons. As these icons emerge on screen, remember, these modest toggles can greatly sway your video's triumph. Admiration for your content viewers signals YouTube of its superior quality, increasing the likelihood of recommendations. Channel subscriptions reflect an appetite for more content, triggering YouTube to notify them about new uploads. Sharing, however, extends the reach beyond merely your subscribers, tapping into a new audience and potentially securing their subscription. Therefore, encouraging viewers to click these buttons is not a trivial endeavor, but powerful tool for channel growth. Appreciate your time and remember, utilize these tips to skyrocket your YouTube views.